Yo, greetings. Enuanom tabem pese menimusua ade bi enema to ni say Luciferian doctrine. Em say Lucifer the say what edi no me body ni de me kan what na ebia ne doctrine de unim said the ofaso ahye ne nyema bi e wo asase so. So this is what I want to learn with you, that there are Luciferian doctrine. See, if we are see adia unim bia e di wa braboso. Ignorance is the strength of your enemy. What time for na honden e wa osu ne se adia unim. Eti Satan the tunya onya oni paso e wa asase so ne se eye me ne umienu de bia opeso de bisie den esie yen opeso de nokuru bi den esie yen. Satan or that energy called Luciferian always want to hide truth from us, we human, as mankind. It is me usua de bi ye hwa de bi hase say me ne umienu nyina we came out from God, which is heavens. This is our home. Yeah, this is our home. We all came from God. We came from where? Heavens. Yeah, which is bliss. Heavens, very nice place. That's where we all. I want to hear you now. You depend on your feet. So we were souls over there. So this is God, which is love, which is reality. Okay? So when we say God, we are talking about love. We are talking about reality. That's why we said, for God so loved the world. It is this onyame do we are seeing here. So what you say? It me no me na. Ye fie me this is our home. This is where we came from. We are souls. Ye na ye akra. Then we came here down here to the planet Earth. Assassination. Na mama ka se bi jo hase. Sa assassination. School. So we are students in this place. Ye school for was assassination. Eti mama no be sua de bu hase. Say ye unya descending every heavens now ba assassination. Ye were forces be at one assassination. Ye from Lucifer. Your friend is Satan. Diabolo bia odi bi on the friend. Na ye wufi heaven now ba assassination. Earth ya ba assassination. Ba be to say tumi we mu na was assassination. Your from negative energy, which is Luciferian energy. More assassination. Enti ye nyamu be to so pe. Ofi heaven na wo ba. But aya onyankopon do ba ye ne say the purpose is that to come and fulfill the kingdom of God within you. Utieni was it onyankopon hini no it was come and fulfill that kingdom, which is love. That means bring heaven to the earth. So ti da me kan ye onyankopon so for heaven na asase so. Enti ba and say you are here you are the express image of God, to demonstrate the love of God. But if you are debu hase ye nyamu na nya bedu asase we so ye was actually a Luciferian doctrine or Luciferian energy. Almost asase so. It ye wo betu asase so pe. The first thing they do is to attack your mind. Yes, or the first and say, why not be said or attack you one. So they will find any means anyhow to enter into your subconscious mind. Listen to me again. We are spirit, we are energy, okay? We are what? We are energy. Energy and consciousness. We are energy and consciousness. It is the moment we are born here onto the planet Earth. This Luciferian energy, Lucifer, and then they attack your brain. Almost start to say attack your one. So they find enemy anyhow to get into your subconscious mind. Listen to it again. Your subconscious mind, which is your paradigm, which is your temperament, which is your belief system. That is where you live. That is the software. A control ubibia was assassination. Eti yenya wo to assassination. Luciferian doctrine, Lucifer and the dom or attack. Your friends are bronsam. what dear omhia e was asase we so first any say ometimi attack what na so ometimi di what so hene a afi no unipa bia no ometimi ye de e control se do opibia eti ye hwe kwan a ofaso edi enya ye wasase we so the first thing and enya wo to asase so a the first attack or the Bible say how he can penetrate into your subconscious mind by using the gates of your body. Hey, you need to it's a computer. There are gates within it. Your ears, your eyes, your nose, your tongue. You see, and to or you see side will get when to get into your subconscious mind. That's why it's dangerous of what you hear. That's why it's dangerous of what you see. Because a 1 hour fast with the ending, it didn't need pepia. Because now say how he can keep you ignorant. Because ignorance is the strength of your enemy. So what Satan will try to do to you and me, as you say, he will try to keep us ignorant. He will try to keep us ignorant. Said the church also for the lack of knowledge, my people perish. Now Jesus said, so what does it? Satan number one attack ayewo to asase we so obe attack and say obe attack wadwene, which is your subconscious mind. Essence ye nipa tieni the first illusion we did that nipa ma ye yadwene ye say your body, but me catch on say your body. Your body is your domicile, is your house, it's like your computer box. What you say? But there is what is called the control board, which is your consciousness. What I say? Nipa your consciousness. So your subconscious mind, that is where the enemy is always after. Indeed, Satan will find enemy anyhow to penetrate into your subconscious mind so that he can control your life. Indeed, Satan try to hold us. It's name of the buyer come here. Power, riches, and money. Or the sika, any 2 minutes, no the dada nipa. Na ye wadi ba ku bi nipa ho. Sometimes ya na me bisa say, na ye de kono Yakobon ma ye sa 2 minutes. Any say ye wadi bi kan ye nipa ye a ye friend ego. Will, which is the willpower, a Yakobon de man nipa. And the Satan then make sure say, Obama wo de will na ye asom. Okay, that is our ego. So you're born here if you ego. Me. What I say, this is near me. But the true matter is that we are here to do what? Our purpose of being here is to manifest the kingdom of God within us, which is the love of God. We are here to serve one another with our love. That's why we are here. That's the purpose of being on earth. But the moment you come here, Satan attacks your brain. Why? Because when you be as you lose your memory in heaven, heaven that's where he also take that advantage. Say Sadia. Now, if God, this guy don't remember, said no, baby, then let's create what is called illusion. And you creating na die. Na ye fan na danipa. Ni yentimi na den. Entimi ensure nso na ye ni okuso. E wasase so. Enti the second year they said, wa creating bi a ye frɛ no matrix. E wasase so. Na some matrix no, na nkyɛ mo ni sɛ control system nhyeso bi ene na die. Nhyeso ne na die. Ene wa create wasase so. Enti ye hwɛ agi was a kind of faso e brainwash ya. Systems and institutions are built on the fast and did that die, and that's what you control. And now, what you your subconscious mind. You have to say, everything in this world has been turned upside down. It will be a woman as to be a holographic. Said your woman, yes, sanity. The beer won't be a butu. Said Obehuni be a butu. It in Penfo can say, yes, Amy. Na sa wiase emi nu asem omo pa che ne say ye wo huhu wiase ne ye wo nam wiase. That means ye wo reality in your deep reality. Ye wo niema ye no kre pa chen said ye wani su hu no. Enti Satan ebe hu say obetima control ye ni power asase we so a age se o create illusion and na die It was started creating institutions. The first institution odinya nipa e dey attack we first e you sika se any to me once nipa ye petumi ye pesika ene niam nti all of me now first nti energy no afi was creating bibi institution ya dwen say look at how he has everything has bibi a no physical bia no turning upside down utie nipa it doctors destroy health. Could you believe that? Said doctors destroy health. Said the pharmacy, the big drug industry, they decide who should live and who should die. The doctors, the pharmacy, they destroy health. But it's not about your health. They are not building health for your interest, but it's for their wealth. Wealth. They are building it for their wealth. Let's come here. Religion, when it comes to spirituality, they build religion to destroy spirituality. What does religion mean? Even that religion is when you go to the Bible said when Jesus met the guy who was at the tomb, he asked him, now you should be saying the same. Now when you say was it near legion. Yamra has said, so about the word religion, I say legion, the same thing, the same religion. So that word religion means dividing and ruling. Dividing and ruling. It's a control system. So they destroy what is called spirituality. So religion is not there to serve you, to know the truth about the reality. Okay? So religion is dividing and rule. And it's young Muslims, you Hindu, Buddhists, then so many things. But let's look at it. Is it serving us? Eboyen. Intokwa. Nema basa basa ye. Miye kramoni, miye Christoni, miye weni. It's full of division and control and rule. This is what is going on in this world. It means said everything that we see in this world is matrix, is upside down, is illusion. And this is what you see the city. Let's go here. Media destroy information. Media, why people pay a lot of money on television, on radios? Why? According to the Bible, see when Satan fell, he fell into the kingdom power of the air. Kingdom power of the air. Satan or better the number 1, 2 power you should control nipa. Media. They tell you what to hear. They determine they say what. So they deceive us and control us through media. They give us false information. Okay? Let's come here. School destroy knowledge. School destroy knowledge. Yeah? School are welcome. So could school they give you syllabus. It's not what you want to know, but it's about what they want you to know. Is what that they teach you. So that's why they give you syllabus. That's why they give you syllabus. So it's not about what you want to know, but it's about what they want you to know. So all this is a Luciferian doctrine that Satan has built up to control mankind on earth. What I say? Let's come here. Government destroy freedom. Politicians are not there for your interest. See, the government is not there to serve you, but they are there for you to serve them. But we see that it's upside down. Everything is upside down. But they portray us, oh, we are there to help you. We are there to help you. Listen to me. Politicians call you my livestock, and they are the farmers. When you take it to religion called shepherds and the sheep. So everything is upside down. It's not that they are there to help you, but they are rather there for you to serve them. You get it? To enslave you, to manipulate you. That's why it's there. So all these institutions are called the Luciferian doctrine. It's the structure of Satan, which is called matrix, which is a control system of this universe. Said that some kind was for we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, powers, rulers of darkness, spiritual wickedness. These are the things that he's talking about. So let's come here. Lawyers destroy justice. Lawyers destroy justice. Lawyer, not the number before. Why? If you religion, they invented what is called obey. Okay? Obey. So religion says if you don't obey what we are telling you, you are going to wear hair. So now they come here. Government, if you don't obey the rules and the laws of the state, you are going to wear jail or prison. If you go to school, if you don't obey the instructions of the school, what? Fail. So you see that everything is about obey. So it is a structure of control, of enslavement, which is called matrix, or which is called the Luciferian doctrine. Luciferian doctrine. It's not there to help you, but it's there to brainwash you and get into your subconscious mind so that they can remote you as slave. That's why you see all these doctrines are not there to help you. So what that I'm trying to say is this. The person may know what say. Instead for them to brainwash us, let us brainwash ourselves. You are consciousness. Now you control what you be only deep what brabos. I was also by you for power. But may catch you. Baye wa. Omunina a manipulation and omni. Omunina you soup what penny near the yam. To all that I will say is this. Let's come to the place of taking absolute control, to take full responsibility of our mind, of what we hear, what we see. Because these are the gates that the enemy is using to get into your life so that they can control you. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, Ephesians chapter 6, but against principality powers. And these are their structures. These are the way they rule us. That there's what is called Luciferian doctrine, which is built of illusion. All these things that you see is not there to help you. It is just an illusion. It is holographic. Say the ohunu no nyesa na tie. So what you say? Say the ohunu no nyesa na tie. Biase edamienu. Instead for them to brainwash us, let us brainwash ourselves. Onyame shira. Peace.